Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry effectively. Start by building a strong foundation in basic concepts. Focus on understanding the structure and bonding of organic molecules and familiarize yourself with different functional groups. Mastering EUPAC nomenclature is crucial. Practice naming compounds regularly to solidify your knowledge. This initial groundwork will make more complex topics much easier to grasp as you progress through your studies. Once you have the basics down, dive deep into reaction mechanisms. Organic chemistry is all about understanding how and why reactions occur. Focus on drawing out the electron flow for each step, which helps in visualizing the process. Don't just memorize. Strive to understand the underlying principles. Consistent practice is key. Work through numerous problems from your textbook and other resources to apply your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention. Next, familiarize yourself with common reagents and their specific roles in organic reactions. Knowing what each reagent does will help you predict reaction outcomes accurately. Focus on understanding the conditions under which reactions occur, such as temperature or catalysts. Then, challenge yourself with synthesis problems. These require you to combine multiple reactions to achieve a desired product, which is excellent for developing a holistic understanding of the subject. Finally, consistent review is paramount for long-term retention in organic chemistry. Set aside dedicated time each week to revisit older topics and reinforce your understanding. Flashcards can be incredibly effective for memorizing reactions, reagents, and their specific conditions. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Using diverse resources like online tutorials and past papers will further enhance your preparation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.